Hello, happy homemakers. I am Bailey from My Life as a Homemaker, and today I'm going to be doing the Spring Decorate with Me. It is hosted by Heidi Sombel and Lindsay Domer, and I love both of their channels. Lindsay and I go way back, actually. We have been friends for a while, and I have been following Heidi for a very, very long time. So I am really excited to do this challenge. I actually don't decorate a whole lot for anything other than Christmas. I'm pretty, what I call minimalistic. I'm not a minimalist whatsoever, although I thrive to be one. But I'm really excited for you guys to see this. I love the way that everything turned out, and here we go.
Don't forget to check out Heidi and Lindsay's channel in the description box down below. I will also have a link to the playlist of all the other wonderful YouTubers doing this collaboration, so don't forget to check out that too.
When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. Oh, oh, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, oh, oh. I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, oh, oh. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, oh, oh, I'll be your light.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to check out Heidi's channel and Lindsay's channel. I will have them both in the description box down below. I will also have a playlist of all the other wonderful YouTubers doing this down below, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.